Hi, friends. A very warm welcome to this amazing session, Leadership Masterclass. Now, what exactly is leadership? Is it something to do with the position, or is it something to do with the age or seniority, or what it is actually? So, leadership is nothing to do with seniority or position. If there is a senior executive, a general manager, or CEO, he is just a CEO. He is not a leader. Leader has got nothing to do with the title. You can be leader in whatever position you are in. You can shine everywhere. You may be a peon in the office or a clerk or the lowest grade employee, but with your leadership qualities, you can shine wherever you are. There's an amazing book by Robin Sharma, Leadership Without Title. When you read this book, your life is going to change because wherever you are, you can shine as a leader. Maybe it's your resident welfare association. You can shine in your society where you live, in the lane where you live. Or maybe you're a great leader as a father, as a grandfather or grandparent. In your family, you are a leader. Leadership can be in many ways. So let's see what exactly is leadership. It has got nothing to do with personal attribute. A lot of people think leaders has to be charismatic. No, they are simple leaders like Mahatma Gandhi or Anna Hazare for that matter. They were not charismatic. They just won people's heart because of their simplicity. It isn't about management. Leadership and management are synonymous. Yes, if you are a good manager, if you are a good leader, you manage it well. So maybe you are managing 15 people, 20 people. You are managing it well. It doesn't make you a good leader. You are just a good manager. So what is leadership? Let's talk about what exactly is the leadership is all about. According to Peter Drucker, the definition of leadership is who has followers. Then Warren Buffett, ability to translate vision into reality. So that's another definition. According to Bill Gates, as we look into the next century, leaders are those who has the capability to empower others. John Maxwell, leadership is all about influence. Leadership is all about influence. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. So various definitions, and these are all right. There's nothing wrong. All definitions are right. They all fall into the context of leadership. So in my opinion, leader is someone who stands out in the crowd. Like if there are hundreds of black umbrella and you see a yellow umbrella. The leader always shine regardless of age, religion, caste, sex, gender or position. Leader will always shine. That's number one according to me. Leaders are people who do the right thing. They walk the talk. They lead by example. That's what leadership is all about. Managers are people who do things right. Leaders do the right. Managers are people you tell them to do this thing, they'll do it right. But leaders, they do the right thing. They show the way. They guide people. They create a vision. They implement those visions. And those visions become reality. So leadership can be many places. A political leader, a social leader, a family man leader, a business leader like Ratan Tata, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Elon Musk. They are great leaders. They are business leaders. While leaders set the direction, they must also set the guidelines. They also should be able to manage. So leadership and management go hand in hand. They create very inspiring vision for the future. Motivate and inspire people. Leaders motivate and inspire people. They engage with their vision and manage delivery of that vision. So let's talk about creating an inspiring vision of the future. So in business, if we talk about business, a great leader will set a vision for the company like Bill Gates had the vision of Windows. When the desktop laptops were being introduced in the market, he had the vision that every desktop computer is going to need an operating system. And that's how Microsoft was born. Steve Jobs had the vision of smartphone, iPod. These are all visionary leaders. They had the vision, they inspire the people, they motivate the people, and that they create those great realities. So create a vision, leaders focus on organization's strength. Not only organization's vision, they create on people's strength also. Organization strength and people's strength creates a great vision for the company or for the business. And the great companies are born, the great businesses are born. They look at the things, how they can innovate successfully. and they test their vision with appropriate market research. I'll give you one example. When the lockdown happened in April 2020, we made a core team of leaders from different chapters of Tajurba, and we started thinking every week that next 2 years things are going to change, and after post-COVID things are going to change. Networking is not going to be the same. It's not going to be just about meeting offline in the hotels. We need to leverage technology and connect crores of people. So we set a vision of 1 crore entrepreneurs, SMEs connecting with Tajurba, doing e-commerce, learning and leveraging technology. And as on today, 15th March 2021, we are ready with Tajurba Lead Generation app, which is being launched next week. We created that vision exactly around a year ago and worked on it for a year, which is going to set a vision for Tajurba, and we're going to disrupt networking in a big way. The leaders motivate people to work hard to achieve vision. They inspire people to work hard to achieve those great results. So next is leaders, they manage the delivery of the vision. Now vision is created, the plan is created, now the execution. So without execution, it's just a dream, it's just a vision, it's hallucination. Nothing happens, it's just a wish. So leaders get involved in execution too. They inspire the teams, they arrange the resources to deliver that vision, to execute that vision. Leaders must ensure the work needed to deliver that vision. It's properly managed. I was reading about Elon Musk when he was working on this electric car Tesla project. He was sleeping in the factory for many days. Though he had best of the people working for him, but he was there in the front line, inspiring, motivating everyone that we are going to create history. And we all know what has happened. He is the richest man right now. And Tesla has changed the entire automobile industry. The companies, Toyota, Mercedes, BMW, hundreds of years old companies are now thinking and they're following Elon Musk in electric vehicles. That's leadership. And then coaching and building a great team. They pick up people. They train them, they motivate them, they coach them, and delegate the work according to their strength. They inspire them. They align their vision with their team's vision so that it becomes one vision, one team, one dream. That is leadership, my dear friends. A leader will ensure team members have the necessary skills. If they don't have the skills, they'll be trained. They should be the best in that skill spot. And also, leaders create leaders. They train people for leadership skills. It's a learnable skill. Nobody is a born leader. They train other people to become great leaders. That's another quality of leaders. So leaders set direction. They set vision. They implement. And effective leadership is all about this, what we do.